CBSE class 10th chapter 12 है areas related to circle. Areas related to circle. And question number first, the radii means parallel of radius of two circles, and two circles radii means two circles radius are respectively 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. First circle radius 19 centimeter, second circle radius 9 centimeter. Find the radius means find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle which has a circumference equal to the sum of circumference of the two circles, and two circles new circle, and first circle and second circle and new circle, and first circle circumference plus sum of circumference of two circles, sum of circumference of two circles, and first circle circumference plus second circle circumference is equal to the has a new circle circumference. मतलब हमारे पास में दो सर्कल है, एक बड़ा सर्कल है और एक छोटा सर्कल है. दोनों सर्कल की सर्कमफ्रेंस का सम इक्वल है ना, नया सर्कल बनेगा उस नए सर्कल की सर्कमफ्रेंस के इक्वल है. एंड पुट हियर फर्स्ट सर्कल. टेल मी फर्स्ट सर्कल रेडियस 19 सेंटीमीटर. राइट हियर R1 19 सेंटीमीटर. सेकंड सर्कल रेडियस R2 9 centimeter, and find out new circle radius means capital R. Find out and sum of two circles circumference formula 2 pi r, but R1 plus second circumference formula 2 pi r, but R2 is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, first circle circumference of circle formula होता है 2 pi r. The circumference of circle formula 2 pi r, and 2 pi r equal to 2 pi r, but first circle R1, second circle R2, and big circle capital R, and take here 2 pi common, and 2 pi common bracket R1 plus R2 is equal 2 pi r. 2 pi cancel. R1 value is 19, R2 value is 9, equal to R. 19 plus 9 is equal, so R value is equal 28 centimeter. The radius of new circle. Find the radius of circle. So the radius of new circle is 28 centimeter is our answer. Question number second. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and first second radius 8 centimeter and second circle radius 6 centimeter. We are given two circles, first circle radius 8 centimeter, second circle radius 6 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle having areas equal to, and new circle area equal to the sum of areas of two circle, means first circle area plus second circle area equal to new circle area. Right here first circle area plus second circle area equal to new circle area, and first circle radius R1 is equal to 8 centimeter. First circle radius R1, second circle R2 6 centimeter. Capital R find out. Okay, find out new circle radius, and first circle area formula pi r square. The area of circle formula pi r square, but R1 pi r1 square plus second circle area formula pi r square, but R2 square equal to new circle area pi r square, but capital R है, capital R square. Take pi common and take pi common, bracket R1 square plus R2 square equal to pi capital R square. Pi cancel. R1 square, tell me R1 value is 8, 8 का square plus R2 square 6 square equal to capital R square. 8 square 64 plus 6 square 36 equal to capital R square. When we added 100 equal to R square. Square, find out square root of 100 is equal to R. So capital R equal to square root of 100 is equal to 10 centimeter, and new circle radius is equal 10 centimeter is our answer. Question number 3. In figure, we again figure, and first circle gold region, second circle red region, third circle blue region, and fourth circle black region, and fifth circle white region. Okay, here cut. And in figure, expect an archery target marked with its 5 scoring region. Have 5 scoring region: first, second, third, fourth, and 5 scoring region. From the center outward edge gold, and first circle is gold and red, blue, black, and white. The diameter of region respectively gold diameter scoring region diameter is 21 centimeter and each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide, and each band, and this is band, and 10.5 centimeter wide, 10.5 centimeter, 10.5 each. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring region and find out each scoring region area find करना. We are given 5 circles: first circle, second, third, and fourth, and fifth. 5 circle. Diameter of gold is equal to 21 centimeter. Diameter of gold 21 centimeter. So first circle, this is first circle. First circle radius 21 divided by 2 is equal 10.5 centimeter. And first circle radius, this is first circle gold region. First circle is gold region, and we are given diameter of gold 21 centimeter. So first circle radius formula diameter upon 2. So 21 divided by 2 is equal 10.5 centimeter. Okay, first circle radius is called R1, and wide of band is equal wide of band wide is 10.5 centimeter, 10.5 centimeter, and first circle radius 10.5, first circle radius 10.5, and wideness is equal 10.5. So second circle radius, and here ये फर्स्ट सर्कल रेडियस, यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये फर्स्ट सर्कल रेडियस, ये 10.5, ये कितना है 10.5, 10.5 प्लस 10.5 21, यहाँ से यहाँ तक, तो ये फर्स्ट सर्कल, ये सेकंड सर्कल रेडियस, and second circle radius means R2. 10.5 plus 10.5 is equal 21 centimeter. First circle radius gold radius given 10.5, wideness 10.5, to 10.5 plus 10.5 second circle radius is, this is second circle radius 21 cent, and third circle radius means R3. 21 plus first circle, second circle, third circle radius 21 plus 10.5, 31.5 centimeter, and fourth circle radius means R4 is equal 31.5 plus 10.5 is equal 42 centimeter. And fifth circle radius R5, 42 plus 10.5 is equal 52.5 centimeter. Okay. In first find out gold region, area of gold region. In first find out area of gold region. And first area of gold region is equal formula pi r square. Pi value 22 upon 7 r square. And first circle radius is 10.5. 10.5 into 10.5. 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, 3.75 ja 35. To multiply 22 multiply 1.5 multiply 10.5. When multiply 22 multiply 1.5 multiply 10.5 is equal, find out 346.5 centimeter square and area of gold region. Next, find out second area of red region. Area of red region. Area of red region is equal, and this is first circle and second circle, third circle, fourth circle and fifth circle. Area of red region is equal second circle area minus first circle area. And area of red region, this is red region, okay, red region. So second circle, this is second circle area minus first circle area. Right here, second circle area minus first circle area. And second circle area, find out second circle area formula 22 upon 7 pi r square, formula pi r square. Pi r value is second circle radius 21 into 21 minus first circle area already find out 346.5 7 1 ja 7 7 3 ja 21. To multiply 22 multiply 3 is equal 66 multiply 21 1386 minus 346.5. When we subtract 1039.5 centimeter square. This is area of second region. And find out third area of red region हो गया. Area of blue region. Area of blue region. Area of first circle, second circle and third circle. And first circle, second circle and third circle. So area of blue region is equal third circle area minus second circle area. Area of blue region, third circle area minus second circle area. Third circle area minus second circle area. Third circle area formula pi r square. Pi value 22 upon 7 r square. Pi r square. Third circle area means third circle radius. Third circle radius is equal 31.5. Third circle radius is 30.5. So write here 31.5 into 31.5 minus second circle area. Second circle area 1386. Look at second circle area 1386 and 7 1 is 7, 7 4 is 28, 3, 7 5 is 35. When we multiply 22 multiply 4.5 multiply 31.5 minus 1386. When multiply 22 multiply 4.5 multiply 31.5 is equal 3118.5 minus 1386. When subtract, find out 1732.5 centimeter square. And this is the area of third region, means third area of blue region. Third area of blue region. Area of blue region find out. And third circle area 3118.5. Okay. And find out black region. First region gold region find out, blue region find out, red region find out, blue region, and find out black region. Black region के लिए ये fourth circle area minus third circle area. First circle, second circle, third circle and fourth circle. Area of black region find out. Area of black region is equal fourth circle area minus third circle area. Area of black region. Number 4. Area of black region is equal fourth circle area minus third circle area. Fourth circle area formula pi r square. Pi r square. Tell me r is equal fourth radius. Fourth circle radius. Fourth circle radius is equal 42. Fourth circle radius is equal 42. Take care. 42 into 42 minus third circle area. Third circle area already find out. Third circle. Look at third circle area. Third circle area is equal 1318.5. Third circle area. Third circle area is equal 3118.5. Directly write here 3118.5. Okay. And solve. 7 1 is 7, 7 6 is 42. And do multiply 22 multiply 6 multiply 42 minus 3118.5. When multiply 5544 minus 3118.5. When subtract, find out 2425.5 centimeter square. And this is area of black region. And next find out fifth, area of white region. Area of white region is equal area of fifth circle area area of white region is equal, this is fifth circle area minus fourth circle area. Fifth circle area minus fourth circle area. Fifth circle area formula pi r square. Pi value 22/7 r square. Tell me radius is fifth circle radius, and fifth circle radius is equal 52.5. Fifth circle radius 52.5. Take care. 52.5 into 52.5 minus fourth circle area. Fourth circle area already find out. Fourth circle area 5544. 55 44 7 1 7 7 7 49 7 5 35 22 multiply 7.5 multiply 52.5 minus 55 44 when multiply find out 86 62.5 minus 55 44 when subtract is equal find out 13 18.5 centimeter square area of white region. Okay, and question solve. Question number 4. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter diameter and wheel diameter is equal 80 centimeter. So radius is equal 40 centimeter. Next, and how many complete revolution means will complete how many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes में when car is traveling at a speed of 65 किलोमीटर पर आवर. आपको मैं वैसे समझाता हूँ. एक पहिया है, कार का पहिया है, वो 10 मिनट में कितनी डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा, 10 मिनट के अंदर कितनी दूरी तय करेगा. और कार की स्पीड है, वो कार है वो चल रही है, कितनी स्पीड से चल रही है, 65 किलोमीटर पर आवर से चल रही है कार की स्पीड दे रखी है अपने, स्पीड ऑफ कार 65 किलोमीटर पर आवर से वो कार चल रही है. तो वो कार 10 मिनट में कितनी दूरी तय करेगी, पहले तो ये फाइंड करना है. इन फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट कि 10 मिनट्स में कितनी दूरी तय करेगी. और उस कार का पहिया है वो डायमीटर है 80 सेंटीमीटर, रेडियस 40 सेंटीमीटर हो गई. तो पहले हमें इस स्पीड से हमें स्पीड दे रखी है 65 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो इस स्पीड से हमें डिस्टेंस फाइंड करनी है. क्या फाइंड करनी है, डिस्टेंस. पहले इस स्पीड को चेंज करेंगे, किलोमीटर को चेंज करेंगे मीटर में, और फिर हम चेंज करेंगे किस में, सेंटीमीटर में, क्योंकि हमें सेंटीमीटर में दे रखी है. और हमें टाइम दे रखा है 10 मिनट्स कि 10 मिनट्स में कार का पहिया कितनी डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा. तो आपका फॉर्मूला होता है डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला स्पीड इनटू टाइम. डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला स्पीड इनटू टाइम. स्पीड ऑलरेडी गिवन 65, बट दिस स्पीड इज किलोमीटर पर आवर्स. किलोमीटर चेंज इनटू मीटर. look at 1 kilometer is equal 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal 100 centimeter. Okay, and in first 65 multiply 1000, so kilometer change into meter. We know that 1 kilometer is equal 1000 meter, so 65 multiply 1000, so kilometer change into meter, and again multiply 100, meter change into centimeter. Okay, in first multiply 1000, kilometer change into meter. Next multiply 100, meter change into centimeter. We know that radius given centimeter, so speed change into centimeter. Multiply time is given 10 minute, but this speed is kilometer per hours change into minute divided by 60. Hours change into minute, kilometer change into centimeter, but hours change into minute divided by 60, and time is equal 10 minutes, and 0 से 0 cancel. Sorry, this speed is 66, and 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6, 11 multiply 1000 multiply 100, and this is centimeter. Distance 11 3250 centimeter, and distance find out and radius find out. Again look at speed 66 kilometer per hour, and time 10 minutes. Distance formula speed into time. Speed 66 in first, kilometer change into meter, multiply by 1000, and again meter change into centimeter, multiply 100, and hours change into minute. Hours change into minute. We know that time is given minute, so divide by 60 and multiply. Time is 10 minutes. 0 से 0 cancel. 6 1 6, 11. 11 multiply 1000 multiply 100. Distance find out 11 lakh centimeter. Find out distance. And find out how many complete revolution. मीन्स फाइंड आउट रिवोल्यूशन, चक्रों की संख्या, कि वो पहिया 10 मिनट्स में कितना चक्कर लगाएगा, वो फाइंड करना है। नंबर ऑफ रिवोल्यूशन, फाइंड आउट नंबर ऑफ रिवोल्यूशन। इजिकल फॉर्मूला इजिकल डिस्टेंस, टोटल डिस्टेंस अपॉन circumference 2 pi, circumference of wheel, circumference of wheel, and put values. Total distance find out 11 lakh centimeter. 2 pi r, take at 2 pi value 22 upon 7, r value given 40 centimeter. 7 divide change into multiply. 11 multiply divide change into multiply. 7 upon 2 multiply 22 multiply 40. 0 से 0 cancel. 11 1 जा 11 3 4 0. 11 2 जा ओके. 2 1 जा 2, 2 से cancel 5000. 2 1 जा 2 cancel 2500. 2500 multiply 7 upon 4, and 4 1 ja 4, 4 6 ja 24, 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20. 625 multiply 7 is equal 4300 revolution is our answer. Okay, number of revolution formula, total distance upon 2 pi r. Total distance find out with the help of speed 11 lakh centimeter. 2 pi value 22 upon 7, r value is 40, and 7 multiply change divide change into multiply, and 11 1 ja 11, 4 0 1 2, and 0 से 0 cancel. 11 2 ja 22, 11 1 ja 11, 1 2 3 4 0, and 2 1 ja 2 5000, 2 1 ja 2 25 2500 multiply 7 upon 4. When divided by 4, 625 multiply 7, 4375 revolution. Number of revolution.